Good day. Will you please introduce yourself?
Good day, sir. I'm Diwata Plusernan, 29 years old, single. We are 3 brothers and 2 sisters in the family. I am the 3rd child.
Okay.
I am presently residing at San Pablo City, Laguna, Philippines,
Mhm.
with my parents.
Okay. What did you finish?
I finished Bachelor of Science in Secretarial Administration, sir.
For how many years is that?
4 years, sir.
4 years course. Okay. So please tell us now about your work experience.
My work experience, I work as a helper at my neighbor's house for 2 years, doing the household chores. And then I also work as a stenography instructor for 3 years. And then I worked in Singapore for 1 year as a purchaser.
So you work as a stenographer here in the Philippines?
Yes, sir, as a stenographer. Instructor.
Government or
In private, sir.
private? Is it school?
Sorry, sir?
What's that?
Eastern Luzon Colleges.
Okay. Okay. And then you work in Singapore for only 1 year.
Yes, sir, because I only signed the contract for 1 year only.
1 year only for the contract of 1 year. So what did you do there?
I was assigned and responsible to do the purchasing.
Purchasing.
Yes.
Okay. So you work also as a domestic helper here in the Philippines for 2 years as a housemaid.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how many person you take care?
Only one child.
One child and couple. So
Yes.
they are 3 in the family.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How old is the child?
1 year old. Sir.
1 year old. So boy or a girl?
Girl, sir.
Okay. So you're still single.
I'm still single.
Do you know how to take care of a newly-born baby?
Yes, sir, because I have also this.
So you help your sister taking care of your niece.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what about naughty little children? Do you have patience taking care of them?
Yes, sir, I have patients taking care with naughty children.
Okay.
Because my niece also, my nieces are also naughty ones.
So you can handle them.
Yes, sir, I can handle.
Can you sing a simple English song for little children?
A nursery rhyme, sir.
Yes.
I'm a little bit but short and stout. Here is my handle and here is my spout. When the water's boiling, hear me shout. Lift me up and pour me out.
Okay, thank you. It is possible there's an old man or an old woman who may be sick or bedridden living with your employer. Are you willing to take care of them?
Yes, sir, I am willing to take care.
Okay. So, can you take care of pets like dogs or cats?
Yes, sir, because we have also pets at home.
What kind of pets?
Dog, cat.
So you are not afraid of dogs?
No, sir.
Even big dogs?
Sorry, sir?
Even big dogs?
That's another. I'm afraid of big dogs.
No, maybe all the big dogs I think are very kind. They are good. Okay. So, do you know how to cook?
Yes, sir, but only Filipino dishes.
Okay. So, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want not only for additional experience. I want to help and support my family.
Okay. Would you like to say anything else to your future employer?
To my future employer, I promise to work hard and to be a trustworthy person. I will do my best to perform all my duties and responsibilities that my future employer will assign to me and to meet their expectations.
Promise to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, I will promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.